We are gathered here today for a worthy cause. I want to say up front that we come in peace. We are an orderly party. We are a party that believes in the laws of the land. We observe the laws of the land. And at no time do we want to divide our people or incite any violence in the society. We come in peace. We are here today because there is a fundamental issue that needs to be addressed. Many persons look at this as just an issue with Mr. Trump. It's not just an issue with Mr. Trump. If you remember correctly, 2 years ago, we saw an annual report from the Integrity Commission. In that report, it stated that 6 parliamentarians were being investigated for illicit enrichment. They have assets that their lawful income cannot justify. We asked our members, first Julian asked in the committee if they informed those persons who are under investigation, and they said yes. We asked our members and they said they were not contacted. A little after that, members from the media asked the Prime Minister. He said he searched far and wide, and he came up empty. Few days after that, he put a gag order on his members from speaking about it. In a few months after that, he was asked why he's not certified. He said he doesn't know. That was November of 2023. When the annual report came out in 2024, we saw when the number moved from 6 to 8%. And then a few months after that, we saw the report of the Prime Minister. And other persons here will go into detail as to what was in that report. It led to the Prime Minister suing on taking the Integrity Commission to court. One, to try and force them to sign his declaration, and 2, to get rid of the law that defines illicit enrichment. All along, there is one accountant that said nothing is wrong with what the Prime Minister has done. And the report was referred to be further investigated by the FID. Now we are seeing where the very individual that said that nothing was wrong is being asked to lead the body that is tasked to investigate the Prime Minister. What can go so wrong for us to put the people first and to put dignity back in Jamaica House?
That's right.
It is time for us to restore Jamaica's good name, locally, regionally, and internationally. And so as we wrap up this morning, I want to say thank you to everyone that came out this morning. We know you had other things that you could be doing this morning, but you paused for a worthy cause. I want to say thank you to those persons who were not intimidated by the words of the Prime Minister that they have a new type of labor right. We don't know what that means. And I want to say to them that we come in peace and we are not afraid. We will not be intimidated. We are defending the rights of the people. I want to thank the policemen and women who are out here this morning maintaining law and order. And I want to say to them in the words of Mama P, help is on its way. I want to thank persons in the media. And I encourage you not to let this government bully you. We know you can't get information when you go to access to information. We know when you carry certain story and cut off ads to your station. But we are saying to you as well, Fret not, because help is on its way. To you, we are at the end of the beginning. There is more to come. We will be on the road defending the rights of the people. So keep your ears cocked, because you will be hearing from us shortly. We are also checking with our good lawyers who beat them every time in a court, you know. If we should take this matter to court. And I hear the man that called the election in the middle of COVID 6 months early, saying now that he's not ready. He can run, but he cannot